Hi guys! Today I will show you how to set up the HC-05 so you can use it to program Arduino microcontrollers. The HC-05 modification can be added to the Bluetooth module or incorporated into the circuit design. For example, I did this with the MIPR robot. A tutorial on how to build this robot can be viewed over at lead.uk. Before you can use the HC-05 for Bluetooth programming, we must change a few parameters on the module. We use a Bluetooth programmer to do this. A tutorial on how to make a Bluetooth programmer can be viewed over at lead.uk. This is my Bluetooth programmer, and it's what I will use to configure the HC-05 modules in this tutorial. Once the programmer is made, apply power via a USB cable and add the HC-05 module. The module should go into AT command mode. This is denoted by the red flashing LED. It should flash every 2 seconds, indicating that you're in AT command mode. If it is flashing quickly, then remove the module and plug it back into the programmer while power is applied to the programmer. I will use the serial monitor and Arduino IDE to send AT commands to the Bluetooth module. When using the serial monitor, ensure that you have the correct COM port selected. If you do, a message will be displayed in the serial monitor giving you instructions on how to use it. This HC-05 has been previously configured, and you can see that the baud is already set to the baud of the microcontroller's bootloader, which is 57600. I will be using this module with the Arduino Pro Mini that has a bootloader baud rate of 57600. If you're using a different microcontroller, then visit lead.uk, where I have listed baud rates for all Arduino-based microcontrollers. Once the baud rate is changed, then polar variable needs to be changed. This will invert the logic on the state pin of the HC-05. This will allow us to reset the microcontroller when a Bluetooth connection is made. This resetting of the microcontroller is necessary when loading different sketches. This is a new HC-05 and I will configure it from scratch to show you how to do it. We will change its name, set the baud rate, then change the polar variable. And lastly, I will change the password from the default one. Here I'm looking at the parameters of the module. First I will look at what baud rate it is set to, then set the baud to 57600, which is the same as my microcontroller's bootloader. After that I will look at the polar variable and see what that's set to. Then I will invert it so the module will reset the HC-05 when a Bluetooth connection is made. I am using the name keyword to change the name of the HC-05. In this case I will change it to MIPR example. This will be the name displayed on other devices when connecting to this device. I will now change the Bluetooth password, however I have forgotten the command. So I will go to elite.uk, and view the HC-05 document that can be found on the HC-05 modification page. This document contains all of the AT commands that can be used with the HC-05. Now the HC-05 has been configured, all you need to do is pair it with your computer, and select the correct COM port in Arduino IDE. Once this is done, you will be able to program your Arduino over Bluetooth.